Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Shaunneka and today's Yin Yoga sequence is a sequence for lazy days. So a sequence on a day when you just don't quite feel like getting on your mat, or maybe you still want to get in a yoga practice but you don't want to do something too intense or too long. So this is going to be a practice that's short, sweet, light, and to the point. You will need the support of a wall and possibly 2 blocks if you decide to use them in your practice. So we will go ahead and get started right away with dangling. So go ahead and come to a standing position. You're just going to bring your bum up against the wall. You want your feet about hips width distance apart, and then you're just going to go ahead and slightly bend the knees. From here, you're going to roll down vertebra by vertebra. And once you've found the desired position, again, pushing your bum into the wall, just allow your head to hang heavy and your belly to drape on top of your thighs. So if this is uncomfortable and you have your blocks handy, you can always do this and place your hands on blocks. You can wrap your arms, place your fists in the eyes of your elbows. Just allow the head to hang heavy here. Nice deep breaths. Really feeling the back of the rib cage expand on every inhale. Maybe you nod your head yes and no a couple of times. So not only is this a nice stretch for the low back, but of course the hamstrings. I also feel this in my calves. Thinking about drawing the crown of the head towards the mat or the floor and the tailbone up towards the ceiling. I'd like to go deeper for these last few breaths. Consider straightening your legs just a little bit more, but still keeping a micro bend in the knees. Making these your deepest breaths. Last 2 breaths. Nice big inhale. Open the mouth and sigh it out. One more inhale. Open the mouth and sigh it out. So from here, we'll be making our way into our next posture, which will be Malasana or squat. So very gently bending the knees from side to side, keeping your bum pressing up against the wall, and you're just going to sit back, pressing your weight up against the wall. You can bring your hands to prayer and use your elbows to push gently open on the knees. The option there is also to bring your fingertips in front of you and let the head drop if that feels more comfortable to you. Last few breaths here. Let's take our last 2 breaths here. Nice big inhale. Open the mouth and sigh it out. One more inhale. And exhale. Gently lifting the gaze and opening the eyes. We're just now going to rock forward. So maybe you bring your fingertips beside you and help rock yourself forward. So bringing your big toes to touch, we'll be making our way into a wide-legged child's pose. So big toes to touch. You're going to send your bum back into the saddle that you've created. Find a long spine, so arch up through the chest, inhale, and exhale. You're going to walk your hands out as far forward as you can, bringing your left cheek to the mat. Nice deep breaths into the back body. Let's go ahead and switch the gaze, so bring the opposite cheek to the mat. Let's go ahead and bring the forehead to the mat. Last few breaths here. If it's uncomfortable to bring the forehead to the mat, you can always stack your palms and place your forehead. Last 2 breaths. Nice big inhale, fill up. Open the mouth, inside out. Last one, inhale. Really feel the back body swell. And exhale. Open the eyes, lift the gaze. Push into your palms. Walk yourself all the way up. And you're just going to come and sit cross-legged, back up against the wall. Taking a few breaths here. Really taking this opportunity to turn inwards. Just feeling the body soften and melt here. So feeling free to stay here for as long as you like, taking as many breaths as you would like here. I hope you enjoyed today's practice, and I will see you back here again soon.